Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious custard block using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 4 large egg yolks. Having everything ready at room temperature will help us achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Get your saucepan and whisk ready, and let's begin this delightful culinary journey together. Now let's combine our ingredients. First, whisk the 4 egg yolks with the 1/2 cup of sugar until they are light and creamy. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in about 1/4 cup of cold milk to create a smooth slurry. Slowly pour the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk into the egg mixture, then thoroughly stir in the cornstarch slurry. Transfer this to your saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 8 to 10 minutes, until it thickens considerably. Once your custard has reached a thick, pudding-like consistency, it's time to set it. Carefully pour the hot custard into a lightly greased 8 by 8 inch square dish. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Now, place the dish in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, let it chill overnight. This crucial step ensures your custard block becomes perfectly firm and sliceable. After thorough chilling, your custard block is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully run a thin knife around the edges of the dish to loosen the custard. Then, invert the dish onto a clean cutting board. The firm custard block should release easily. Now, using a sharp knife, cut the block into your desired shapes, perhaps 1-inch squares or elegant rectangles. You can serve these delightful custard blocks plain, or, for an extra touch, dust them lightly with powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.